Hello. So, it's after Thanksgiving. And of course, guess what time it is? Who's back? Because, you know, it's winter, so we have to build project vehicles.
Yeah.
So we are assembling the motor. And yes, it's an LS-based motor.
Uh-huh.
It is a LM7. No, it's not. This is a LQ
LC9?
LC9 because it's aluminum block.
Mm-hmm.
So aluminum block.
There was a slight pause in working on it because
Well, work. Everybody had work and
schedule, vacation.
different situations.
I've been sick lately. Sick of working. Sick of paying bills. Sick of taxes.
That's for sure.
And tired. So you add sick and tired. But yeah, schedules is different. So
Everybody's schedules are different.
yeah, and
So
life gets in the way.
yes, it does.
But we're back. We are building it. I am what they call the beautiful assistant.
I wouldn't say beautiful.
I mean,
Oh, it's kind of a low blow.
that's downright disrespectful.
I would say handsome.
Oh, there you go. Handsome. There you go. See, look at that. See? Somebody. So I'm just spinning these in, getting them to touch.
Did we do anything for the block?
All we did was ball hone. And then as far as the crank, we just cleaned it. New bearings. So everything's been cleaned. New cam bearings. A quick ball hone. Cleaned all the surfaces. You had the machine shop, hot tank, right?
No.
This was here, right? We did it here?
The cam bearings are good.
Oh yeah, because
Oh,
remember
that's
he broke our hose thing
Oh, that's right. He was washing the motor.
when he was washing it.
It's not new cam bearings. It's the original.
Oh, you're right.
cam
Original cam bearings. That's right.
Because the cam bearings are good.
So we just dropped in the tank.
And then we'll torque them up.
Torque them up. We're gonna.
We'll torque it up.
I think for today, I think we'll get as far as putting the pistons on.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we're just doing new rod
Then
bearings.
it's Christmas time.
Yeah, new rod bearings, new main bearings. I mean, the cam bearings are actually
Cam
perfect.
bearings are good.
It's scary though, cleaning.
Remember that we're putting that used cam in.
That's right. Used cam that you got from
My
your
brother.
brother.
Yep.
What about that cam over there on the wall?
Oh no, that's an extra one. It's not. It's actually similar to that, probably.
That one.
Yeah, and then we're doing. What else? What else are we doing? Well, the heads are stock heads
Stock heads that
With a-
belong to my brother's car.
that came off your brother's car that had valve spring upgrade,
That's it.
and that's it. And we're just cleaning those and throwing them on.
Yep.
So I mean, really, it's the pistons. I mean, you can start bringing those over too, because we can start.
We'll show a video of what it looked like before we cleaned the pistons, and because I did take a video when we were cleaning them outside.
Oh yeah, they were gross. They look nice and new now, and they are stock rods, stock pistons, and we're just going to hit this thing with a lot of nitrous because we don't care. That's it, and it's going to love it, every minute of it. And when I say a lot of nitrous, I mean a 250 shot. It's not a lot.
For the first stage.
For the first stage, sorry, we're doing 3 stages. We're taking a Romeo tune. The Romeo tune.
Well, we got
7 stages.
I didn't say that, Romeo.
He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. 7 stages of nitrous. 6 of them don't work. Yeah, look how clean these came out.
Get looped up.
Oh yeah, you gotta get looped. Yeah, these are factory pistons. Those are stock. Stock, flat top, stock rods, stock everything. We just gotta spray a little lube in there. A little oil. Little
Earl.
Little cousin Earl.
Some Earl.
Uncle Eddie.
Some Uncle Eddie. I don't know where this came from. What was this? I have no idea what this
I
is.
have no idea.
What is this? That came from.
That's for
What is this? That's probably
like a
from,
monitor.
probably from Jose. Garbage. I'm trying to do some strut mounts on a BMW, and it's breaking my stones.
Some notches.
Nice.
As
Pistions.
the young kids say, the NOS. You got NOS in there? You spraying NOS?
What's the, what is it again? LC9?
LC9.
I'll be in the garage.
I'm going to print you the torque spec.
Okay. They're pretty much all the same.
Similar. All right. So we got the cranks in, pistons and rods are in, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, is that a stock crank?
It's a stock crank.
Oh, okay. Stock rods?
Stock rods.
Oh, stock rod bolts?
Stock rod bolts.
Let's see. Let's zoom in on that. Can you zoom in on that? Those are not replacement bolts. Those are not replacement bolts. Pistons? Stock?
Standard bore.
Oh, standard bore, huh? Stock piston? Yes, it is. Look at that. Crazy. Interesting. Man,
Gonna be nothing to hide.
skeptics are going to be all over it. What are we trying to hide? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What do we got?
What's under your sleeve? What's up your sleeve there? I don't know. What's up your sleeve? Phew. Man, it's crazy. The only thing I can say that we started with, this is an aluminum block. So it's the LC9 5.3 that comes in a lot of trucks or SUVs like a Tahoe or Suburban. For what year usually? It's like
2007? Yeah.
right? Yeah, 7-ish. Yeah, so that's so the short blocks together. That was easy. Standard parts. So Hastings ring set. Yeah, nothing's gapped. Molly ring, Molly bearing set for rods and mains. Really nothing special. So we're going off of stock specs, Gen 4 aluminum block LS engines, torque specs, doing everything based off of basics. Just so you know, the bore 3780 stock standard. That's our install cup. And that's it. So
Look at the timing. Set that's going in.
oh boy, hold on. So this is the timing chain set. Yes, sir.
Okay. Amazon special timing chain kit.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
I don't see anything wrong with that. And I think it's gonna do well.
It'll do fine. So, next thing is to get the cam in. We got to get the rear cover. You have a rear cover, right? All right. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to take it off the stand because it's way too tight. I don't think we'll be able to get the new cover on there. Right? So yeah, we'll have to just zip that off real quick. So, but we'll put the rear cover on. Then we'll put the cam in the tunnel. We'll fit the. I guess we'll fit the oil pan and pickup. Or is that a standard pan pickup?
It is a standard pickup.
Okay, cool. All right, well,
Yeah.
let's rock and roll.
Let's giddy up. Yeah, we got a dart block with a forged bottom end.
Them be stock flat top pistons,
3/4 cam,
3/4 cam, stock rods,
double hump heads.
stock crank. There is nothing special about this motor, whether you like it or not. And it will run right out of that cutlass,
Ooh, I didn't want to go there.
run right away.
I didn't want to go there.
That traditional small block.
I didn't want to go there.
With that 900 horsepower traditional small block running on race fuel.
I didn't want to go there.
Non-streetable. Shoot.
It's treatable.
Oh yeah, with a trailer.
Oh, come on. We're on day 2 of the Starlet engine build, and we had a visitor. No other than the man himself. The man, the myth, the legend, Armando. With the killer single turbo El Camino. Stock bottom end?
Stock bottom end, 20 pounds of grease.
Well,
On pump gas.
On pump gas. It's gonna be put on kill for 2026. Where you at? Rick?
Remember, never take advice from someone that goes slower.
Yep.
Hello, everybody. So, day 2 on the rebuild.
Dos.
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 Dun, dun, dun.
The rebirth of the Starlet. I should be a professional announcer. Boom shakalaka.
Oops. Boom! Shakalaka.
Shabuzi. So, what do we got, Al? What is it?
It's about done. We're about done. We're 95% there.
95%. We had the LS Guru, aka Armando, was here.
Yeah, he made
Even
an
though
appearance.
I don't normally take advice from people that are slower than me, so I don't really consider him much of a guru. But I guess if you want to call him a guru, I guess that's fine.
The LS Whisperer.
He's one of the LS whisperers, but I don't know. I wouldn't call him guru. I don't know. He's all right.
It's Armando, man. He's Armando.
Let me push this forward. I can sweep this forward right here. So yeah, this is. So the only thing that's been upgraded on these heads. So these are. What are these?
Are they new
240
springs?
Yeah, these are 243 stock. The springs have been upgraded and the valves, but other than that, we put studs on the motor, and that's only because the studs are cheap. So
Chinese.
they're just the China studs.
China studs.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, we put the cam in.
Okay, bud. Yeah, the cam's in.
The LS9 cam? LS9
Yeah, it's
cam.
an LS9 cam.
Nothing crazy.
I think it's an LS9 cam. I don't know. I didn't research the numbers on it. It was from your brother's car, so I
Yeah.
have no idea. And these were the heads off that car.
Yes.
So it ran and drove fine for him, so.
It was running pretty good until he decided he wanted better heads.
But yeah, this Obviously, we did the conversion to the 3-bolt cam, which converts the non-AFM on the motor, because these are originally the active fuel management setup. So this is not that anymore, obviously.
Has the DVT delete?
Yeah, so it's all deleted. So it's just it's a good little setup. I mean, what's it gonna make for power? I mean, with these heads, it'll help a little bit, and it is a flat top stock piston, so we're hoping for closer to a 10-to-1 compression, which I think it's probably right there, probably give or take.
Cubic inch wise, it's
It's still only a 5.3,
5.3.
so
That's a
326.
Yeah, 326. So my conventional small block Chevy it was a 355,
Yep.
but it has steel world product heads on it.
Yeah, it was nothing crazy.
It was nothing crazy.
No, that had cast pistons in it.
Cast piston.
Because you shot that thing right out the side of the block, so that's how we knew it had cast pistons.
Yeah, I mean, it didn't owe me nothing. I didn't,
Yeah.
20 years, multiple shots of nitrous. I mean, when it identified as a rotary,
Yeah.
that's when it decided to exit stage left.
So yeah, this is. So the next time you see this motor, we're gonna paint it because I don't want to. It's not gonna.
Dude, that
It's not
is
staying like
nostalgic.
I was gonna leave it just like this, but
Are you really?
yeah, I didn't care.
Oh, I think you should paint it.
Dude, all what matters is the car.
I mean, I guess you could leave it. It's not a big deal.
Dude, the hood's gonna be down half the time. No one's gonna see the motor.
Okay.
No one's gonna see the motor.
So,
With the China intake that's going on,
yeah.
it's not even.
It's a no.
Is it the same one you put on that on Dirty Grandpa?
So it's similar to the one I have here, which is the Holly.
Yep.
Oh, the Mini Victor,
Warehouse.
Yeah, this is.
the Mini
No,
Victor
this is a Victor Junior.
or Victor Junior.
So it's similar to this. It's a little taller. This is. They make the Victor Junior and then they make the Super Victor. The Super Victor actually I like a lot better, but
Didn't you have the
this would
Super
be the-
Victor?
this would be the same setup
Dude, you should use that intake.
like that. So that's it.
You should use that.
Real basic. And a carburetor with a plate kit. And the plate kit, I mean,
You should
how
use
much, how
that.
much can you spray through a plate kit?
What's the biggest plate kit they had? And I can't even say that.
Well, no,
We're talking about-
yours is an NOS brand. It's
Yeah.
not even it's nothing.
It's not nice outlet.
No, it's nothing. It's a nothing. It's an old NOS plate.
We gotta call Jimmy Dale.
Actually, it's an old NOS big shot.
You heard? We gotta call Jimmy Dale. And get the, what is it, the magic code magic.
Code Magic, yeah. Let's spend $1,000 on a nitrous express kit.
But yeah, that's a good, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. Hopefully all 3 cars will be out this year.
Yeah. Well, my car's
Run.
actually running better, so.
It wants to run more lean, that we found out.
So we're not too worried about stuff right
But we think it's an electrical issue as well.
now. No, it's carburetor.
You think?
Yeah, it's carburetor. I'm pretty sure.
I thought you thought it
Nah.
was the MSD because it's like 12 years old.
Well, yeah, but it's not. It's definitely the carburetor. Definitely carburetor. So that's it. Next time you see this motor, it'll be going in the Starlet at some point.
Yeah.
So thanks for tuning in.
Quinta.
Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah. Peace out, Cub Scout.